I'm Victoria and today I'm going to show you how I apply my lipstick. Let me zoom in first to give you a clearer look. And yeah, that's how I do it.
Canon, delighting you always.